Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open your document and go straight to the Layout tab to start. You do not need extra setup. Click the small page setup launcher at the bottom right or choose Orientation then Landscape. If you only want certain pages changed, select the text or insert a section break first. This tells Word where the new layout should apply. Once done, confirm the scope using the dialogues Apply to menu. This step switches the visible page proportions, so wide content fits better. You should now isolate the pages you want in landscape using section breaks. Insert a next page section break before and after the range. Then open Page Setup and choose Landscape, making sure the Apply to drop-down targets this section or selected text. Do not leave it on whole document unless intended. Once applied, check headers and footers because sections can split their links. If header content shifts, relink or adjust manually. Preview in print layout to verify pagination and margins. Finish by adjusting margins and content placement so your landscape pages look balanced. Go to Layout right arrow Margins and choose or Customize Settings. Make sure other sections remain portrait if required by repeating the orientation change with Apply to this section. If things go wrong, such as unexpected pages switching orientation, inspect section breaks. Often an extra or missing break causes the issue. Remove or recreate the break and reapply the page setup setting. Then recheck headers, footers, and pagination to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.